Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to delete conversation on Facebook Messenger from both sides. So in order to delete conversation from Messenger from the both side, you need to follow these steps. So basically, to delete the Facebook Messenger conversation from both side, your side and the recipient side, you need to use the unsend or a remove from for everyone options. This will remove the message or conversation from both your chat history as well as the recipient chat history. So in order to do this, you want to open the Messenger application and log in. After which, what you want to do is open up the chat page. So after which, what you want to do is open up the chat page, like here. And what next you want to do is, on this field you simply want to make sure to hold on to the message and click on the delete button, and then click on delete, or you could just click on delete for everyone. So this is how you could delete conversation on Facebook Messenger from both sides. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.